Let's explore the worker pool pattern. This pattern helps in controlling concurrency and efficiently processing jobs in Go. A worker pool consists of a fixed number of worker goroutines that are ready to process tasks. It also involves a job queue, which is a channel-based queue that distributes work to available workers. This ensures that the workers are always busy and the tasks are processed efficiently. There are a couple of key benefits of using worker pools. First, it provides resource control by limiting concurrent Go routines to prevent resource exhaustion. Second, it enables efficient processing by maximizing throughput while maintaining system stability. Let's look at the basic structure of a worker pool. We start by defining the structure of a job. A job contains an ID, which is of integer type, and data, which is a string. Next, we define the structure of a result. A result contains a job ID, which is an integer, and a value, which is also an integer. Now let's define the worker function, which is responsible for processing jobs. The worker function takes in two channels as input: a read-only channel of type job and a write-only channel of type result. It iterates over the jobs received from the jobs channel, simulates processing by calculating a value based on the job data, and sends the result to the results channel. Now let's create the worker pool. First, we create a jobs channel with a buffer size of 100 to queue the jobs. Then we create a results channel, also with a buffer size of 100 to collect the results. Next, we start 3 worker Go routines that listen on the jobs channel and send the results to the results channel. Now let's see how to send jobs to the worker pool and collect the results. To send jobs, we iterate from 1 to 5, creating a job with an ID and some data, and send it to the jobs channel. After sending all the jobs, we close the jobs channel to signal that no more jobs will be sent. Then, to collect results, we iterate from 1 to 5, receiving results from the results channel and printing them. Here are a couple of best practices to keep in mind while implementing worker pools. First, use tunable workers by adjusting the worker count based on system resources and workload. Second, implement graceful shutdown using context cancellation and wait groups for clean exits.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.